Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a Valentine's Day heart candy. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, we're going to start right here in the middle of the page, down a little bit from the top, and we're going to start by drawing one side of the heart over like this. Take your time. You can always pause the video if you need more time. And we'll stop right about there. And now let's go back to where we started and draw the other side over, down, and like this. This is a big heart candy. And we'll stop right there. Now let's give this piece of candy some shape and dimension and thickness to it. So starting over here on the side of the top of the heart, we're going to draw a line that gives a thickness to it down around, sort of parallel to the side of the heart, and then back, connect it back. So here we go. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make my heart candy yellow, but you can make yours any color you want. And a slightly darker yellow for the side. This gives it a sense of dimension and shape. Okay, now, I want you to get a lighter color, and we're gonna write "Be Mine" on the front of this candy heart. I'm going to do mine in pink, but you can do yours in any color you want. So here we go. We're going to start with the B. And now we're going to draw the E. And then we're going to draw mine, starting with an M. So here. And then I. N. E. Be mine. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.